Guys, I'm cleaning my M3 E90 steering wheel. It's real leather. It's supposed to be a dull shine. I've been wiping on it for a while, cleaning it up. This part had been re-dyed and it was all sticky because it hadn't cured right. So I've used some lacquer thinner to take it all off on that section. As you can see, as I'm working on the other areas, I'm still using lacquer thinner, but I'm careful not to get it on this or this because it'll melt that stuff. You see that line? That's what I'm working on, and that's just grime that's in the leather. If you see those lines, that means you're still smearing crud. So keep at it until those lines go away. You don't have to push hard, just use plenty of product. Just look and rub it until it looks the same consistency, the same dullness everywhere. It's really starting to look good. See my little shiny spots? They still have crud in them. After like 3 hours cleaning this steering wheel, it looks amazing. Don't be afraid to dig in, because your steering wheel has crud in it like you wouldn't believe. And this feels really nice and very new. It will smooth out a little as my hands touch it, but right now it looks a little dry. I'm not going to put a bunch of conditioner on it. I may put a something that doesn't create high gloss. I don't want a sticky steering wheel. I want a clean steering wheel, and this thing is amazing now. Looks amazing.